Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making Sunday dinner, everything from the drink all the way down to dessert. I'm gonna make watermelon juice. As you can see, I have a whole watermelon right here. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I'm not gonna show the entire step of this watermelon juice because I have it I think 2 or 3 times on my channel, and I will definitely link it below. Alright guys, so this is my juice right here. Like I said, I'll link the exact same recipe down below. I had some mandarins, so I threw some mandarins down in there. But this exact recipe I've done twice, and I'm going to link them below. Alright guys, so now we're going to move on to the cake. I'm making a strawberry cake. As you can see, I'm taking some help from the grocery store. Instead of using water, I'm going to be using strawberry soda. I have my 3 eggs, and instead of oil, I'm using melted butter. And all you have to do is follow the directions on the back of your package. I'm not changing any of the measurements, just the ingredients. So I'm still having the half a cup of, instead this is supposed to be oil, I'm using half a cup of butter. I think it's a cup of water. I'm using a cup of this strawberry soda, and that's it. And I'm using Pillsbury. Alright guys, so I have my eggs down in here, and I'm going to add my butter. I added the butter before the soda because I need the measuring cup. You're just going to measure, because it's a half measuring cup. You're going to add half, and then I'm going to add the other half. Alright guys, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Look how silky this is. And it's because of that soda. You know, soda is active because of the acid, if that's what you want to call it. And y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I have my little grease pan right here. So I'm about to, I sprayed it with some non-stick spray, and I'm just going to pop this into the oven and bake it off until it's done. Toothpick comes out clean. We're going to let it cool. I'm actually going to serve this up with some strawberry ice cream and some Moscato strawberry sauce from scratch. And that's it. Semi-homemade. Got a little help from the grocery store. Alright, so finally we're on to the main course. I'll be making some spaghetti today. I already have spaghetti recipes on my channel, but not this version. I'm using some hot Italian sausage, and I'm also using some ground turkey, 93% lean, 7% fat. The pepper I'll be using is the poblano pepper. This spaghetti will be spicy, but not like hot. This is the poblano peppers right there with the regular peppers and onions. I have an onion, my tomato sauce, use the one you prefer, and my spaghetti noodles. Alright guys, so I'm sauteing up my peppers and onions. And I'm just sauteing it in some coconut oil. To this you're going to add some garlic powder. Basically we're just trying to bloom all the spices and the herbs. I'm not going to add any salt or black pepper until like in the middle of cooking to make sure I don't over salt my food or over spice my food. We're using hot sausage, plus we have the poblano down in here. You got to watch it. Alright, so my sausage and my pepper, my sausage and my turkey is down in here. And what you want to do is you want to break this up. Get it all incorporated down in there. I'm going to get that done and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that I have this meat broken down, I'm going to add my tomato pasta sauce. And then you want to add like a half a cup of water to the bottle, shake it and put it down in there just to thin it out a bit. This is going to cook for a while. I'm cooking mine for probably an hour before I toss it with my pasta. This looks so good already, and we're not even done. I still have fresh basil and Parmesan cheese that I'm going to add to this right at the end. So you want to turn the stove completely down, not completely down, but like low. Cover it and allow it to cook for about an hour. Alright, so this is my Parmesan cheese. I'm going to grate some of it and my fresh basil right here. We're going to mix some down into the meat sauce. Back here I just made a simple salad of green leaf lettuce, cucumbers, peppers, pistachio, and cheese, and some pepper. Alright you guys, so now you're just going to add, as you can see, my spaghetti sauce reduced quite a bit because I made it cook for like an hour. You're also going to add your Parmesan. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. You want to stir this up. And then we're going to start adding the pasta. At this point, we could shut the stove off pretty much, because you don't want to boil or simmer your basil. I have about a pound of spaghetti noodles here. Woo, sticking together. Alright guys, the cake is nice and perfect, and now I'm going to work on the strawberry sauce. Alright you guys, so my strawberries ended up dying on me, so I was able to save like 7 of them in this pot. So what I'm going to do to push this is I'm going to add the same strawberry soda that we used in the cake. Okay. And all you're going to do is reduce this by half. And that's it. We're going to drizzle that right over the ice cream on top of the cake. Alright you guys, so this is what dinner looks like. This spaghetti right here, after I mixed it all in, I tore up some basil, put on top with some chopped up tomatoes and some more Parmesan cheese. That's why it's so pretty. It's very optional, but I tore up some extra basil. Right here is my toast points. This is with some baguette I had in the fridge. You can add whatever you want, butter, garlic, cheese, whatever. That's the salad I showed you guys earlier. And that's our juice back there. I'm going to show you guys what dessert looks like in a minute. But this is pretty much it, guys. This is my spread. I know this video was kind of long, but, you know. Alright, y'all. So this is my strawberry cake right here with my strawberry ice cream. The brand I used was Bluebell. Now you're going to take your little strawberry sauce. You're going to drizzle. All I did was reduce what I showed y'all. All I did was reduce it by half. Didn't do anything else. Didn't add anything else. It didn't need it. And that's dessert. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I know it was kind of long, but it was worth it. And I'll catch you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.